Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how we can easily add funds on Binance. So let's start. There are actually two ways how we can do it. The first way is when you're gonna buy crypto, you can buy it straight with a credit and debit card, and you would just add here a month and you would buy Bitcoin, like let's say 1000 euro, buy Bitcoin, and I would just add here the card number. Or I can simply buy crypto and bank deposit, and then you can simply see the bank transfer here, and I will add a month here, like 1000, and then press continue. And I need to verify my address, so then I will be able to do the bank transfer. But this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down below in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.